guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you guys how to make crab rangoon. This is one of my favorite appetizers, and to get started, here are the ingredients I will be using. Here I have some fresh crab meat, and I have some wonton wraps here. I have some cream cheese, black pepper, powdered sugar, garlic powder. I have some green onions and some Worcestershire sauce. So basically what I'll be doing is adding all of the ingredients to the crab meat, and I will mix until well combined. Now if you go to a restaurant and you order this, you will mostly be tasting a lot of cream cheese and very little to no amount of crab. And I always vow, whenever I make this myself, I will put more crab and less cream cheese. So that's what I did, because I just want to taste, real crab in my mouth and not a mouth full of cream cheese. And once you have everything well combined, this is how it should be looking. Now if you add more cream cheese and less crab, it will look more, creamier, like more with the cream cheese in it. But this is how it looks when you add more crab and less cream cheese. Now we'll move on to the next step. Now we'll assemble the crab rangoon by taking one strip of the wonton wraps. We will place about 1 teaspoon of the crab mixture in there, and we will seal it up with some water. Now you can use an egg wash instead of water, but I just didn't want to break one egg to do this, because most times the egg just wastes, because I won't use the entire egg, and I didn't want to waste an egg for this, so I'm using water. But you can use egg, and I think the egg seals it better. But yeah, this is what I'm doing. And then you just seal up all 4 edges like so, and you repeat the same process until they are all done. It's very easy and simple. So once you're all done, this is how they should be looking. Now we'll head over to the stove and start frying them. So here in my preheated wok, I will now go in with the crab rangoon, and I will add a few of them at a time, not to overcrowd the pan, and we will let them fry until they become golden brown. So once they become light golden brown, you will remove them. They have a tendency to cook a little more once they're out of the pan, and you don't want them to look too dark later on. Okay guys, so this is how I make a super delicious crab rangoon, my favorite appetizer. This goes well with some sweet and sour sauce or some sweet chili sauce. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I will leave all the ingredients and measurements down in my description box, and I will see you guys in my next video. Enjoy!